everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a pot roast in the pressure cooker, and I'll see if I can figure out how to turn the camera, which I can't. So right here is all the ingredients. You've got your roast and your carrots and your potatoes, and here is the microwave pressure cooker, and I have put some meat in the bottom, and then we're going to put the carrots on top. And some potatoes. And you don't want to put it above the max line right there. So we'll try to put this in here nice and neat. And I always buy enough to make 2 pots. So when I'm done making this one, I'll have another one. And then I'm going to pour some gravy on top. And you want to make sure that you cover all the way to the max line. Make sure you cover everything really good. And then we're going to stick it in the microwave for 30 minutes. And you line up the arrows that are on it. It's kind of hard to see. And then you just turn it and then push this down to lock it into place. Yes, I need to put the handle back on it first. Like that. And then it goes in the microwave. And we're going to put it on for 30 minutes. And now we wait. And in a little bit, we will have pot roast. Okay, once you pull it out of the microwave, you see this little thing here. You have to wait for it to go down before you can open it. What this is doing is it's releasing all the pressure that is in the pressure cooker. All right, it's gone down, so we're gonna open it up and check it out, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Everything looks cooked and tender. And that's it. Pot roast in 30 minutes.